I'm making egg roll. So we'll make egg roll, we'll mix, we'll first measure the flour, add all the dry ingredients together. The recipes are with the students. Add the dry ingredients together, add the flour, mix it up, aerate the flour, make a well in the middle, add your liquid ingredient, which is the egg and the water. And that's the process we are doing right now. So I have a very soft dough. So you can see that it's just that tiny flour that I sprinkled, just to remove the ones on my hands. I don't need much, because if you add much, you are altering the one that we have made already. Your egg roll is not supposed to be strong. You are not fighting with the person that is eating it. If it's strong, the body will not come out smooth, and there is every tendency that it will soak oil. So I have a very like sticky kind of, they're not too sticky though, but soft dough. So what you do normally is this. This table is it clean? So I need it. Can remove this one. So you can see how soft the dough is. Is there any knife here? So I can cut. So you can cut and measure. Since if you are selling, as you cut it, you measure before you put your eggs. I forgot to come with my round cutter, because I can roll out, use the round cutter to cut, put the egg in the middle and cover. Do you understand? I'm going to cut it now. Cut into 6.
See, if you are not seeing well, you can take that side, but don't block the camera.
Now you see that this one, we have the exact measurement. It's not like our flour that we are, after adding our 250 ml, we are still adding small to make sure we get the consistency we want. This one gives you the exact liquid. So don't go overboard and don't go under.
Now I see. No, I'm not sitting now. No, you will sit down.
Small. So, yeah, use the flour. Whenever you are working and you have sticky hands, use the flour, no problem. Use the flour to remove the excess on your hands. You can see that I also sprinkled the flour on the table, so it's not sticky on the table. Yeah, I'm still going to measure it. So we know how much each of the dough, how much is weighing. $100, $109, $95. So you see the beauty of digital.
100.
$130. Okay, bye. Okay, so this line, let them go so that you know the texture. It can be less, but you know that you need something that will go around the egg. Do you understand? Something that will go around the egg. So this is where I've mixed. When they are mixing, they can use it. Eh? They can buy one. Or how many? What's the measurement of the nutmeg? Let them buy one roll. We have so many things to do with nutmeg. Okay, to the market. Maybe one. One should be enough. Two. Okay, so this thing I'm doing now is what my cutter could have done. I could have just rolled out with a small rolling pin and cut out. No, don't worry. You can see that it's responding. So once you put the egg, you lift it up. Make sure everything is coming up to the up. Then you pinch it. So you can see that the 100 is a perfect cover for one egg. So you pinch it to seal it. I told you people the first problem egg rolls have is that the inside is not done, while the outside is brown. The second problem egg rolls have is that it will crack open. If you don't seal it well, see, I've sealed mine. If you don't seal it well, it will crack open and your eggs will be exposed. So, yes, please. So, you can see my egg roll is all smooth. There is no cracked place. So, you don't even know where I pinched it to seal it off. The place I sealed it, you can see that it's all smooth now. So it doesn't open in the fire. So you guys can see that our 100 is a perfect cover for one egg. If you are doing half egg, I'll tell your customers. Because you are giving them more of the dough instead of the egg. Ala roro. 100 will cover, and the dough will be more than the egg. That one is not called egg roll again. It is called what? Mwadume. Once you chop like 2, you are good for the day. Just the top water, the top water, the top water, the top water. So you can use your hands, you can use the surface. See, I don't do go. You can use your hands, you can use the surface. Look at what I'm doing. Once you put it, everything comes to the up. Don't fold it to fold round. Everything comes to the up. Then you seal it on top. So once I seal it, just pinch it. The recipe is soft enough. It obeys you. You know, there are some recipes that you push me, I push you back. Do you get? So when you are pinching it, it is cracking in another place. You are pinching that place, it is opening another place because it's hard. So this one is soft and is obeying you. So you can see that the place that I sealed it is all sealed. Nobody is seeing where or how we closed it up. So Sunday market don't land though. Oh wow. This recipe is easy peasy, right?
Yes.
Can someone answer her? Because I said it, but she's more busy videoing me than listening. I said I forgot to bring my cutter and the rolling pin. You use your rolling pin to do it. This is another method for people that don't have rolling pin. So we don't start with equipment and they start intimidating other people and make them feel that since they don't have this, they can't do it. It can reach. If you never reach like this, you no go reach pass like this again. The more butter you put, the more it will be breaking in the fire. If you put am, e go dey break, e go become crumbs inside the fire. So don't go and say you want it to be rich and add more butter. You have killed your buns. According to your measurement. See, okay? Now so you go bring them out so you go melt them for me.
No, don't bother to just take it like that and put some.
Turn it. Turn all of them. Let the other side cook. Yes. All those small chops buns that you people put, no the ones we done done. All of them never done, no. Never done. You don't done? So if people can see the difference between your own and my own, some of your own is having too many cracks. What do you think is the problem? They do. When you come out, make we see. Let's because it never crack finish. So let's see how cracky it can crack. So for the buns, yes. For the buns, your consistency is not going to be too hard. It's not going to be loose like puff puff. If it is loose like puff puff, your buns will start being stretchy. It will not just be hard and rocky again. It will be hard, but when you're eating it, it will be stretchy. It will turn to mbadume. So business don't start tomorrow, Abi. Abi nobody go try am. Church oh, mosque oh, egg rolls available, hot egg rolls. Now, don't go and put flavor. It will give it an aftertaste. That's why we added the milk. Do you understand? Some flavors, once you finish working and the product is cool, it has an aftertaste. You eat it is sweet. Once you swallow it, you notice another taste in your throat. So reduce the fire a bit, put your own. No touch that other flour, na ant today there. Okay. In the buns. Are you serious? There should be oh. Ah, beautiful. So we are going to plate it.
Okay, yeah.
I brought that plate for us to use.
Oh, no vex. People put your own and go and look for plates. They don't arrange their own plates. Ask them for those white ones, the white plates. So this is quite easy now. Because I know that a lot of people used to be scared of egg roll. A lot of people used to be scared of egg roll. So this recipe is quite easy. So you see that immediately you turned it, it was already burning. Now, the same thing will not apply to the other side. Do you understand? It will not burn as fast as the other one. If you stay small, you increase it so it doesn't. So do you now understand the regulation of this, the heat? Is it wet? Is it wet? Dry it.
What was the reason you gave us for this crack?
They didn't smoothen it well when they were opening it and when they were sealing it. Oh yeah.
Hide our shame. Hide our shame like this. Hide our shame. Hide our shame like this.
Wait first. Oh yeah. Share it so it go reach everybody. Na knife wey I go, the serrated knife. I didn't see the serrated knife again. See the inside of your own. You see, it came out, which means it cooked inside. If it didn't cook inside, you will notice the mendement, it will be gummy. Thank you. You don't come out all of them. Now our students, our senior students. When I shared buns, I looked at him, he was sleeping. This one go chop buns. This one na egg wey break out from what I did. So I'm coming. Use this thing and cover it. Ooh.